Welcome to the best picks. The best texturizing shampoo is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products today, promising to add volume, texture, and manageability to even the finest of locks. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your hair type and style? Today, we're diving deep into the world of texturizing shampoos to find the absolute best one on the market, exploring key features, benefits, and addressing common concerns to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Keranique Volumizing Kit. Unlock thicker, fuller hair with the Keranique Volumizing Kit. It's designed to boost luster, volume, and texture, leaving your hair looking amazing without weighing it down. This dynamic duo rejuvenates follicles, volumizes, lifts, and enhances thin, fine, or fragile hair. It's a bouncy formula that leaves your hair feeling healthy and full of life. Our thickening mousse gives you instant body, reduces breakage, protects against frizz and heat, and leaves your hair shiny and conditioned. It's a flake-free hold that lasts all day. The Keranique Volumizing Kit is enriched with a proprietary keratin complex. This complex moisturizes, strengthens, and thickens weakened hair, leaving it shinier and healthier. Join over 2 million women who trust Keranique for real results. It's time to rediscover your confidence and let your hair shine. What we like? It's a volumizing shampoo and conditioner set with a thickening mousse. It's enriched with keratin to strengthen and thicken hair, giving you fuller, healthier-looking locks. If you have thinning, fine, or damaged hair and are looking for a volumizing solution, this is a great option. What people say. After my first wash with this product, I think I'm regaining some volume. It's growing, but more importantly my hair is thicker, and my scalp no longer shows like it has my entire life. My hair is significantly more hydrated and healthy, and new hair is filling in beautifully. Number 4. TIGI Bed Head Gimme Grip Shampoo. Get ready for the ultimate texturizing experience. This shampoo will give you that effortlessly undone, textured look you've always wanted. It's formulated to create the feeling of second-day hair, even after a fresh wash. Say goodbye to limp locks. This shampoo builds texture, adds body, and gives your hair amazing grip for easy styling. It's your secret weapon for effortless styling. It gently cleanses away product buildup, leaving your hair feeling light and voluminous. It's perfect for achieving that coveted lift. If you have fine, lifeless, or flat hair, this is the perfect solution. It will transform your hair, adding body and bounce. It's the key to achieving that iconic, undone, textured look. Get ready to turn heads with your effortlessly cool style. What we like? This shampoo gives you that effortless, textured look. It creates texture and grip for easy styling, perfect for achieving that undone, bedhead style. If you like a tousled, textured look and want easy styling, this is the one for you. What people say. I discovered this product about 2 years ago. I have fine, bored straight hair. This shampoo gives me enough texture that I don't have to add 2 to 3 other products to give me the volume hold that I want. This shampoo definitely gives texture and grip for styling. They have really innovated in all formulations, at least those that concern fine hair, which is my case. This product achieves a feeling of cleaning, the fragrance is delicious, and if it provides texture, more than anything, keeping the hair really light. Number 3. Labyrinth 3-in-1 Hair Product. Get ready to experience the ultimate hair care solution. This innovative 3-in-1 formula combines shampoo, conditioner, and styler for effortless manageability and stunning results. It effortlessly creates touchable texture and volume, leaving your hair feeling soft and full of life. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair. This product deeply nourishes and hydrates your hair, leaving it healthy and shiny. It's the perfect solution for dry, damaged hair. It's made with love and care, using only the finest vegan ingredients. It's also cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. It simplifies your hair care routine. It's a time-saving solution that delivers salon-quality results at home. Experience the transformative power of this versatile product. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like? It's a 3-in-1 texturizing shampoo, conditioner, and styler. It provides touchable texture, volume, and hydration, all while being vegan and cruelty-free. If you're looking for a convenient, multitasking product that's also ethical, this is a great choice. What people say. Gives lots of volume. Works well as a combination product and in fact adds PC volume to my bob. It gives me body. Number 2. TIGI Bed Head Gimme Grip Shampoo. Get ready to experience the iconic texturizing power of Gimme Grip. It's designed to give you that effortlessly undone, textured look everyone craves. This isn't your average shampoo. It's a professional-grade formula that creates amazing texture and body, making styling a breeze. It gives you that coveted second-day hair texture, even if you just washed it. Enjoy touchable volume and grip. It gently cleanses away buildup, leaving your hair feeling light, voluminous, and full of life. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair. If you have fine, limp, or flat hair, this is your new holy grail. It adds incredible body and texture without weighing it down. With its unique formula, it effortlessly creates texture and grip, making styling easier and more enjoyable. It's the secret to effortlessly cool hair. What we like. This shampoo gives you that effortless, textured look. It creates texture and grip for easy styling, perfect for achieving that undone, bedhead style. If you like a tousled, textured look and want easy styling, this is the one for you. What people say. It adds body and grip for lifeless hair. I noticed results after the first wash with my hair feeling fuller. My hair is absolutely manageable and hydrated, drying time is almost nothing with hair dryer and my hair doesn't need all the extra product to style correctly and quickly. Number 1. Brickell Men's Sea Salt Spray. Get ready for a natural, effortless look. This sea salt spray will give you the perfect beach hair, without the beach. It lifts and volumizes your hair, giving it that extra bounce and body you've been looking for. Say goodbye to flat hair days. It enhances your natural curls and waves, making them look defined and full of life. It's the perfect way to accentuate your natural texture. Achieve that coveted beach hair look easily and naturally. It gives you that tousled, carefree style. It's made with natural and organic ingredients like sea salt, vitamin E, and hydrolyzed proteins to nourish and strengthen your hair. It's good for your hair and the environment. No matter your hair type or age, this spray is perfect for you. It works wonders on all hair types, creating a stylish and natural look. Brickell is committed to creating high-quality grooming products for men using only the finest natural and organic ingredients. We're sold in over 100 countries and featured in top men's magazines. What we like. It's a sea salt spray that lifts and volumizes hair, creating a natural beach hair look. It's alcohol-free and uses natural ingredients to nourish your scalp and hair. If you want that effortless beach hair look without the harsh chemicals, this is perfect for you. What people say. The spray bottle evenly distributes the spray, so that it doesn't end up with clumps or uneven sections in your hair. All it takes is a few spritzes, and you're ready to style. What I love about the sea salt spray is its ability to add texture and volume to my hair without making it feel sticky, weighed down or super shiny. My hair instantly gets that natural, windswept look without the mess of gels or pomades. It adds volume, texture, and a natural matte finish without feeling sticky or heavy. The formula is lightweight and has a clean, subtle scent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.